The zero footprint breakfast glitch. That is the exact title of the morning space saving secret that completely changed how I cook. If you crave thick, restaurant style Belgian waffles, but your tiny kitchen, lack of time, and crowded counters betray you every single morning, you are using the wrong tool. Look, small space kitchen dwellers know the struggle. Traditional waffle makers are massive, clunky counter hogs. They force you to gamble with cheap nonstick coatings that flake off into your food, stick to the batter, and leave you with a stubborn, crumb-filled mess to scrape out while your schedule collides and your breakfast gets chaotic. You want deep-pocketed comfort, but you end up with counter clutter and drama. So I brought in this slim champion, the Gourmia Belgian Waffle Maker. It features a rugged, no-flip design that delivers completely even heat distribution across heavy-duty, round copper ceramic plates. Look at that. The PFAS-free ceramic coating ensures an absolute effortless release. No scraping, no clinging, just a flawless golden grid that nailed my exact browning preference. If you want to check out the current pricing and see why thousands of small apartment renters are upgrading to this model, I've left the direct link in the description right below this video. But here is the twist that makes this appliance the ultimate morning character everyone recognizes. Normally, heavy-duty thick waffle makers require a massive footprint in a deep sink scrub. Not this one. Gourmia engineered this with a brilliant, upright, unobtrusive design. It literally vanishes into your cabinets overnight, letting tiny kitchens feel instantly larger. And because the ceramic surface rinses and sparkles in seconds with zero stubborn crumbs, cleanup takes moments, leaving you with a completely happy sink. Before this, making proper Belgian waffles meant trading off your entire countertop and dealing with an oily, sticky mess. After, mornings become a small, predictable celebration. The simple adjustable browning dial lets you experiment flawlessly, lighter for fruit mornings or darker for late night dessert treats. Make your mornings cinematic, stress-free, and full of small luxuries without the clutter. Click the first link in the description right now to bring home the Gourmia Belgian Waffle Maker today and start savoring thick, perfect waffles in minutes effortlessly.